Hello. In this tutorial, I will go with you to make an installation of Word2Cloud Desktop in a normal Windows operative system. Okay. So we have two options: Windows Recommended and Windows Alternative. But in this case, I will focus on Windows Recommended. All you have to do, well, this is an executable. You click Download, right? If you have any problems, contact through WhatsApp or through Telegram this telephone number, you see, +34 645 087 339. You see that program is already downloaded. You might get some warnings of antivirus, maybe. You click there, right? You see, this might happen. If it says something like that, don't freak out. Just click here. My computer is in Spanish, okay, but you will see more information in English depending on how it's your language. And then you click here, which for you might be execute anyway or something like that. And you click there in execute, and the program is being installed. You might get also maybe a warning of some antivirus, like telling you, is this accepted software? Are you sure? You say, you click yes, it's sure, it's safe, don't worry, blah blah blah, and you accept all the messages that they tell you, or you put it as an exception. In some cases, might be also necessary. You see, we have it here. This is the program, okay? Well, if you see this, it's because it has been successfully installed. I will make another video now showing you the program inside. See you. Bye bye.